Thank you, Deputy.
The leader of Fine Gael, Simon Harris, must come into the Dáil to make a statement about his party's investigation into Senator Martin Conway for inappropriate behaviour to a female staff member. Ceann Comhairle, we have written to you to request that time be set aside for Tánaiste to do just this. We know that there was an investigation by Fine Gael. What we don't know is what Simon Harris knew or when he knew it. We also know from media reports that a sum of 10 grand was made in payment. Now, Ceann Comhairle, I'm sure you will agree with me, a sum of 10 grand suggests a very, very, very serious incident.
Sorry,
we're entitled
Deputy,
to know what happened, and I am requesting
Deputy, I just ask that you don't make allegations of that nature. I did write back to you. You have Deputy O'Callaghan or Deputy McLaughlin received the letter. The allegation you just made with regards to monies.
I repeated what was in the media in the public
Deputy,
domain.
in this House we don't go by the media. You have a Excuse me, deputies, if you let me speak. Resume your seat while I speak, Deputy. Deputy, I wrote back and gave you. Excuse me. While the chair is speaking, I would like to outline. I'm not saying you can't say it, Deputy. I'm saying you can't say it now. I outlined in the correspondence to Deputy McLaughlin the process for which you can say it, which is your private member's business, and that goes for everybody in the House. That maybe whether it is or it.
I'm asking you that you would put time aside to facilitate Tánaiste to make a statement to clear up the very serious questions that are now in the public domain. And I am more than well aware of the procedures, Ceann Comhairle, and I am very certain that I am well within the rules. I am asking that you would use.
Thank you, Deputy. Resume your seat. We move to Labour. Deputy, you know full well what you received in the letter. I do not have the authority to do that, and you bring it to the Business Committee as per motion. Thank you.